Thin hair to thicker hair. 5 homemade remedies. Everyone wants to have thick and silky hair. Regardless of hair length, thick and shiny hair says a lot about you. It enhances a person's overall appearance, but more than that, it is an indication of somebody who is healthy and well-groomed. Unfortunately, however, hair loss is a common problem that many face. Factors that contribute to thin and unhealthy hair are many, such as stress, nutritional deficiency, poor hair care, pollution, heredity, or even hormonal imbalances. In this video, we will share with you some effective home remedies that would help you grow stronger and healthier hair. Here are 5 separate hair growth recipes that anybody can make at home. It is advisable to watch all 5 recipes and how to make each concoction, because you never know which one of the 5 will work for you. Who knows? Maybe if one does not work for you, the next one might. Good luck. 1. Olive oil. Ingredients: extra virgin olive oil, hot water. Procedure: lightly heat the oil and apply on your scalp, massaging thoroughly. Soak a clean towel in hot water and wring the excess water out. Wrap around your hair for about 15 to 20 minutes. Thoroughly rinse your hair as normal. Do this once every 4 to 5 days. Olive oil is effective because it can stimulate hair growth and can serve as a natural conditioner, making your hair silky and strong. 2. Flaxseed oil. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon flaxseed oil, 2 tablespoons coconut oil or olive oil. Procedure: combine the flaxseed oil and coconut oil or olive oil. Massage on your hair and scalp. Leave it on overnight. In the next day, rinse your hair as usual. Do this procedure twice a week. Flaxseed is good for your hair because the fatty acids that it contains can make your dry and damaged hair healthier and shiny looking. Furthermore, the omega-3 fatty acids in it can boost hair growth. 3. Castor oil. Ingredient: castor oil. Procedure: lightly heat up the castor oil. Massage on your scalp. Make sure that your hair and scalp are clean. Using a warm, moist towel, wrap your head for 20 minutes. Do this twice a week. Castor oil is popular for making hair grow stronger, more vibrant, and faster. Also, this is a natural moisturizer that reduces split ends. 4. Aloe vera. Ingredient: aloe vera leaf. Procedure: slice the aloe vera leaf open to get the gel inside. Massage the aloe vera gel on your hair and scalp. Leave it on for about 1 hour and then rinse and wash with mild shampoo as usual. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes which can eliminate the buildup of dead cells in your scalp that may hinder growth and boost the growth of hair follicles. 5. Egg. Ingredients: 1 egg, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Procedure: combine the egg, honey, and oil in a bowl. Mix well until you achieve a smooth paste-like consistency. Massage on your scalp and hair. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Rinse with cold water and wash with shampoo as normal. Do this once a week. Egg contains a high level of protein which improves hair growth. Moreover, it has natural fats and vitamins A, D, and E that doesn't only nourish hair follicles, but also moisturizes and improves their texture. Although there are a lot of commercial products on the market today which promise to make your hair thick and silky, it is important to keep in mind that you don't have to spend a fortune to make that happen. Nature has provided us with all the things we need to have vibrant and strong hair. Before you even try expensive hair products that may contain harsh chemicals, give the natural methods a try first. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.